Hello guys, how are you? Here's your boy DJ Angel Production from Mozambique. Today I do have another tutorial to show you the tips and ideas which are used within this instrumental. This type of beat is mostly made there in Zimbabwe with one of the famous singers who is called John Chibadura. So I'm playing it with this program which is called The Reason. So this is not a remake, this is a tutorial to show you how to make it. This is not a remake, so guys, watch until the end of the video so that you can get the ideas to apply for your next beats that you will be making. So let us start with the drums. After the drums, we will enter in the melody sections to see how I did my melodies. If you can comment also if I did a mistake, I can correct. And this tutorial is for you, and if you want this instrumental I can send for you for free. You won't pay because you subscribe to my channel and we're still sharing the tips and we're making my channel growing so fast. So thank you. So let us start with our tutorial for today's video. Okay, here are the drums. They are very simple. As you can see, you can also play the drums like this. Here we do have a kick, here we have a hi-hat, and also we have a shaker. I think it's a shaker. And as you know, I like to take my all the projects and remove all the melodies and start new projects because I don't like to waste my time. I do have a lot of singers that come in my studio, so I do this process so that I can take much more time to work for them. So after I played the drums, I had to draw my melodies here. I use the pitch to make it sound better. For example, I use the jazz GT muted, and after that I had to play this melody here. I also used this pitch. As you can see, there's a little space here. I left it because I wanted to complete with this melody. So I answering as you know, I'm supposed to play like a band. This type of beat in Zimbabwe is mostly made with a lot of artists. It is called a band. So I'm not a band. I'm playing it. I'm playing myself with my computer here. So I'm supposed to play it as a band. I will play the guitar. I will play the electric beat and everything. I will be answering myself. So after I played these two melodies, I had to play this one. So this is a bass guitar. After this bass guitar, I played this one. As you guys see, here is a little space. I always say to you to make the coordination. For example, this one is answering this one, the first melody which I showed you here. So let us play both of them to hear how they sound. They are coordinating. So after that, let us hear another melodies down here. So these melodies I use the jazz hall. You know guys, jazz hall is from NNCHT. Here is jazz hall. For example, this part is for you to choose your plugins to draw your melodies. For example, I chose my plugins here. After that, I had to draw my melody here. Did this part. This place is for you that to play your melody. So after that, I had to play this one. So I use the fat velo bass for this melody. After this melody, let us hear this one here. I like it to duplicate, but let us hear how it sounds. Yeah, I had to lower down the volume, so I don't like to play. So let us play all the melodies to hear how they sound. As you guys, I didn't use a lot of things, but hear how it sounds. It sounds like there were it sounds like there were many things that were put in this tutorial, but I didn't put a lot of things, but it sounds nice. So guys, as you see, I like to play the part of dancing. I know that there are a lot of singers, sometimes they sing, but I need to consider that where they are going, there are children where they like to dance. So I like to draw the drums so that they can dance, they can enjoy the beat. So let us hear how the drums are. I want to show you how I drew the drums, because this will take much more time. If you want for me to start from zero to explain you how to do these types of beat, just comment in the comment sections that I will do it soon for you. I'm here working for you for free. And if you want to this project, I will send it for free. You won't pay any money. Let us play how the drum sounds. So guys, this was the tutorial for today's video. If you like these types of beats, just comment there that I will bring some more tutorials for you. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next tutorials. Bye. He is your boy DJ Angel Production.